Hello friends, this is Sravani from 7th standard from Coding Academy. In this week, my IOT challenge is make a video with creativity and make a video with innovative. In this process is making the in this week. That's why we are took a chapter that is basic electronics. In that basic electronics, I took a one topic that is batteries. First of all, I tell the different types of batteries. They have 5 different types of batteries. Now I show the drawings also. This is the lead-acid battery. This battery is used to remotes. Then it is the LiPo battery. This is the LiPo battery. Second type of battery. Then it is a coil cell battery. This coil cell battery is used to the computers and laptops. This is the lithium-ion battery. This lithium-ion battery This is the lead-acid battery. Lead-acid battery. This lead-acid battery is used to the tractors and cars. These are the 5 types of batteries: lead-acid battery, and lithium battery, and coil cell battery, and LiPo battery, and lead-acid battery. Then now I tell the what is battery, and in this battery what is there? It is a battery. This name is LiPo. In this battery they have 2 terminals, positive terminal, negative terminal. Positive terminal is a anode and negative terminal is a cathode. In this body, inside they have a chemical. In our house we are so much of use in this battery. Without battery we cannot do operate the TV. With the use of remotes only we operate the TV like this. Without battery the remote will be not working. Then I will tell one example for the watch. This is a watch. It will working. Then with the use of batteries. In this watch they have a battery. With the use of battery it will working. Without battery the watch will be not working. The watch will be not working. With the use of battery only it will working. Then with the phone also they have a battery. Then see, in this phone they have a battery or not. Then see, it is a battery for phone. Samsung company. Then with the use of battery we are making a cooler in our home. See, it is my cooler we are making in our home. With the use of this box and motor and fan keep like this. Then with the use of battery the cooler will work. Then see, with the use of battery only it will work. Without a battery it will not work. That's why the use of battery we are so much of use battery in our home. I hope you are better understanding very well my video. Thank you for watching this video.